LION UC321 Upholstery Cleaner is an easy-to-use concentrated industrial strength cleaner. It removes oil and water-based stains and contains an odor neutralizer to control musty odors. First, spray directly onto any desired surface. Next, using a wet rag or brush, begin scrubbing thoroughly. Let product dry for a few minutes, then clean area with a dry cloth or vacuum if possible. For heavier soiled areas, repeat the process. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of LION.